Doing this on my phone is a little different. Usually I get a countdown. 2, 3, 1, go. Now it's just an offer. We're running. So today is an unboxing. I know exactly what this is. And you probably know because you read the title. Anyway, let's open it up anyway. Got a little perforated edge here. Let's just try using that. Hey, it worked. Reaching in. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, what's this? This is a box of blinking red light indicates Rollo needs to learn your label. Pre-load your labels, then press the red circle button until you hear the beep. If your label's not dark, you may want to increase your print density or install a high resolution driver. So anyway, recently bought a Rollo printer, and these are 500 printing labels set up accordion style. Cost me 20 bucks. I think that'll do me. It only came with like 6 labels. Pretty much enough to run a couple tests. So, as you saw from my previous unboxing, my Rollo printer. Ta-da. And the labels are about the same size as the printer once you take the protective packing off. So anywhere, shipping supplies, that's pretty much what came in. I'm expecting another unboxing, to do another unboxing pretty soon. I ordered something. It's going to be big. Wait till you see it. Anyway, that's today's.